The dataset first. The dataset has two columns: month. This column has the year and the month. Passenger. This column specifies the number of passengers that flew in that month. The dataset is read and passed to the ARIMA node. This is the node where the model gets trained. One needs to specify the Y field, which is the target, here the number of passengers. There are other hyperparameters which can be fine-tuned to build the best model. Finally, we use the ARIMA forecast node to compute predictions for the next 40 months. The predictions of this particular model can be saved to disk, or it can be just seen on the executions page. Now we'll go to the executions page and see the execution of this particular model. So here you can see the summary of the model that was trained and also the predictions from the prediction node. One can also go to the model repository to see the details of this particular ARIMA model. One can see the hyperparameters which were used, the features which were used, just the passengers, the train metrics, and so on and so forth. Thank you.